Kawasaki, renowned for its legacy of high-performance motorcycles, has unveiled a groundbreaking addition to its lineup, the Elektrode 2.0, an electric bike designed specifically for young riders. This innovative two-wheeler represents Kawasaki's commitment to fostering a new generation of motorcycle enthusiasts, blending cutting-edge technology with safety and accessibility. The Elektrode 2.0 marks Kawasaki's entry into the electric bike segment for children, offering a scaled-down version of the thrill and excitement synonymous with the brand. Engineered with the latest advancements in electric mobility, this bike delivers a dynamic yet controlled riding experience tailored to young riders aged 6 to 10 years old. At the heart of the Elektrode 2.0 is its electric motor, which provides smooth acceleration and quiet operation, ideal for both beginners and seasoned young riders honing their skills. The bike's compact frame and lightweight design ensure maneuverability and ease of handling, empowering children to navigate various terrains with confidence and enjoyment. Safety is paramount in Kawasaki's design philosophy, and the Elektrode 2.0 is equipped with features to ensure a secure riding experience. Adjustable speed settings allow parents to control the bike's maximum speed, promoting safe learning environments without compromising on excitement. Additionally, robust braking systems enhance responsiveness, giving young riders the ability to stop confidently when needed. Visually, the Elektrode 2.0 exudes Kawasaki's distinctive style and attention to detail. Available in vibrant color options that appeal to youthful tastes, the bike features ergonomic design elements that prioritize comfort during extended riding sessions. Quality craftsmanship and durable materials ensure longevity, making the Elektrode 2.0 a reliable companion for young riders as they embark on their journey into the world of motorcycles. Beyond its technical prowess, the Elektrode 2.0 represents Kawasaki's dedication to environmental stewardship. As an electric bike, it promotes eco-friendly practices and serves as an introduction to sustainable mobility for the next generation. By instilling values of responsibility and innovation early on, Kawasaki aims to inspire young riders to appreciate the intersection of technology and environmental consciousness. The launch of the Elektrode 2.0 underscores Kawasaki's ongoing evolution and commitment to expanding its product offerings to cater to diverse audiences. It not only expands the brand's reach into the youth market, but also cultivates a lifelong passion for motorcycles among future enthusiasts. With each ride on the Elektrode 2.0, children not only experience the thrill of freedom and adventure but also embark on a journey of skill development and personal growth. In conclusion, Kawasaki's Elektrode 2.0 embodies the essence of empowerment and innovation in the realm of electric bikes for kids. Through its blend of advanced technology, safety features, and iconic design, it sets a new standard in the industry, promising young riders an unforgettable introduction to the exhilarating world of Kawasaki motorcycles.